Hi, it's Dale from Future You Success and welcome back to the channel and the 40-day affiliate marketing challenge to see if we can make money affiliate marketing as complete beginners from scratch in 40 days. So, a bit of background. I started affiliate marketing some 3 years ago, and whilst today I make a decent living from it, when I started I made a ton of mistakes, and it's easy to forget what it's like as a beginner to start an online business affiliate marketing. Hence why I wanted to strip this back and start from scratch to hopefully give you an idea step by step how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. There are many gurus out there showing you how in 30 days you could be earning an income, so I wanted to see if that's possible today, starting from complete scratch with nothing set up. So we're working on the 40-day affiliate marketing challenge to see what is possible. We're doing this part-time with 1 to 2 hours a day only, as I figure that's how you will start. And we're going over 40 days as this gives us 10 days to set everything up and then 30 days of live running for analysis to see if it works. And we do earn some money affiliate marketing. Some other considerations in the challenge. Yeah, it's only part-time, but also we'll only be building this organically, so no paid adverts. We will only use one platform to promote our product in, so we learn the basics and not flip-flop all over the place. And as a test, we want to see if we can make a nominal $200. Right, so a quick recap from where we are from the first 4 videos. If you've not seen them, do have a look because they give you a bit more background and the steps to how we've set things up so far. So we have our subject and market idea of what to promote and who to promote our product to, and we've gone through step by step finding our affiliate product and setting up and opening our affiliate marketing account to promote our product. And we've decided on our content strategy and the content type, which is faceless videos. And we have created our first video using free tools ready to upload to YouTube. So, on to the next stage. But there is a final step to complete before we upload our videos, and that is to create a thumbnail that links to our content. So, what is a video thumbnail? A thumbnail is the hook that entices a viewer or scroller to click to find more information on the subject offered. A thumbnail needs to be eye-catching and arouse interest, and link the title to the subject matter of the video created. Importantly, when the thumbnail is created, it is important that the title name matches the video title name. This is because we want to help the YouTube algorithm understand better our content, so it presents it to the right audience. To create your thumbnail for YouTube, you're going to use another free piece of software, Canva. Canva is a creation tool that lets you create forms, visual presentations, artwork, posters and much more. One thing it is very good for is letting you, with a free option, create all manner of visual tools that are used in social platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Facebook, etc. So, logging on to Canva, you set up a free account, again using your designated email, so you keep all your business details separate from your private stuff. It's a very straightforward process, and the free account will give you all the tools you need to get started. Creating a thumbnail is simple. Open up Canva and click on the option that says YouTube Thumbnail. This takes you to a template screen where you will see a selection for you to pick from. However, to drill the templates down to more focused ones for a subject, type your subject into the search bar and more templates relating to your niche will be presented to you for you to choose from. In this example, to match the faceless video we created earlier, we are looking for thumbnail templates on acne. We simply select one that we like and can now edit it with background colours, different text that we want that relates to our subject matter. So here is our edited version. Like our video creation, if we're happy, we simply share our design and it allows us to download our thumbnail to our laptop or PC. It really is that simple. Now, a trap you don't want to fall into is making a thumbnail too complex with too many words or images. The reason is that the finished article will just look messy and cluttered. The best advice is to keep thumbnails simple, eye-catching and containing a hook line to entice the audience to click on it. And that's it. we are now ready to upload our first video to YouTube to our new channel to finally begin our affiliate marketing earning opportunity. Remember, all the setup we have done is part-time over our first 10 days of the 40-day challenge. Everything we've covered can be done in a couple of hours an evening over 10 days as a complete beginner. So if we're ready, let's upload our first video and launch our channel. I'll run through the process of uploading a video with some do's and don'ts in the next video, which is out in a couple of days. So don't forget to like and subscribe to get first notification of when the video is out. Thanks for watching. Catch you soon.